Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Nakabentai ki Jan Pong Juti Tiaring bat ki Wede ki Jingdon Kam Hakador ka Babebha Wanchikayo India kabadon Hamaulai Nongkwar.
Jingang no jingki atli ke dorbar senang banyo no ikosorok ya kali kanso utlong hadin mu MLA ba ALHEC boderu menteri ke sarkar jela ringkat ke jingadon lang ki engineer ke PWD roads lam ki no ilam ki atli ki senang kata na penthorba bat nong bensong bat ki no ilam ke balang uji sukres kilayo banbu yo mau nong rem hagasinong nong bensong dong kadiang yau ni mau nong rem labu akasingi thok ding bat nagaliang ke balang uji sukres kal IT ru ikajaka bakal athiet ban pendan kam hagaba penhe ekosurok.
We cannot imagine living without a road or without any kind of road communications. So I believe this has been the long-standing demand of these people of this area. And I wish, on behalf of the department, I wish to express our gratitude to the MLA. He's worked very hard and get this scheme sanctioned through the government of Meghalaya. So I will briefly highlight you on the project. This name of the project is Construction of CC Road at Katorba Block 1 to Nongmonsong, Nongkhadiam, connect Church of Jesus Christ, including widening of CC footpath to Motorable Road, meeting Makep Road at Nongmonsong. This project has been sanctioned by the government of Meghalaya under 5054 General at the estimated cost of 1 crore 44 lakhs and 64,000. And the project will consist of construction of the main road. This is to connect the Makep Road. This is the main road at, coming from Polo at both ends, which will meet the residents of Dongkhadiam of Nongmonsong. And this also connects a new road to the Church of Jesus Christ. And for this, I'd like to mention on behalf of the department, we have to express our gratitude to the Dorbar of Kantorba for donating the land at the junction, and also the residents of the private landowners on the Nongmonsong side for parting with the land and enabling the department to construct this road in this locality.
This is a very, very special program. Have been laid down so many foundations, stone, have been inaugurated so many projects. But this is the first time that we have seen, which it is a very, very special project which has led to the church. There are so many projects which has led to the church also we have been inaugurated, but this is a very, very special way because we have seen it has been developed, will be developing the entire area, both for the two locality, that is Pandharba and the Nongmonsong area. Ketika ini project kita ham rares, bangan nongno kita compare. Nambar mangilajul bon ba ki mau nongrem ngilajul bon ba ila inaugurate ya ki lenti ke singkin ketika first time ko bangiyo banbo mau nongrem ya kaneka jika lenti ya yang ni ketika surok ni berangkat bagi jingking ke ba lam ni jika yeng jong play jika yeng mani ya ke ba ni kumki brio ngila banyo ban lek ban aingo ya ke kam ko boble la ku yang ni jing mujungi baman lang sini ya ke bau bleu lah sengap ya ke jing doi ke jongki buat dia kata ke jing force ni ke jongki kala urlong mandagasgi dak bagi bu yang ni mau nungrem mensna ban pendap ya ke ni ke surok bat kawai ke jing kwa ke jonga ketika jing trang ban angut ke jonga gelong ba ai begini ke project ke ban long a landmark project kamdi buchulong ke project ke baong busisna surok maman ke I want to be this road, it should be a landmark project, it should be a special project which when the people are coming to the church they should feel that we are going to really to the church. Kami menculong no bah la susna surok la susna jingking bala dang irung katu kajing small tenat kenum dana kajing mujungi. Ta bang irung sigi yang mani nadu was dang hi ke surok bang irung la de ban lupa hi kajing kelut ha kajing mut kajing perkar kajingi kajing kelut ha kajing im kajungi ya ka bang irai ban mani ban aingu yo play. Tiada kata kedau, mak kuaru kata kepor, menlong ru kawin lagi kemana orang menek landmark project, ketika project keman penitenat dulu yang ketika arti kisnong, kawin ketika kisnong Pandharba, kawin kisnong Nongmonsong. Bagutang syuwan seketika jaka, kibri kan semua hun bagi UI yang ketika project, kalau project kebab penitenat bagi projek kami songkun nak kementar ke jimperan kam jadi pahat babon balang. Tengah juga poru ni ogba kini ke projek mereka connect langi di arli snong bagi jimmentoy ke nama rak sibon ha nak kementar ki pahat nang snong ki bodon nak di arli snong bah juga por balik bagi jingdan jong ni ke yeng mani mani. Ini bagi jingdan jong ni ke yeng mani ke lang jing kurku ikini arli snong khandam bagi kini gas gari jungi hi borok kawai pada kajingdon juga ni yang mana kan kering sibur iki pat ki bompat itu yo blai iki pat ki bompat dan ki bompat itu ni ki bompat ikendo ya kajing don kam badu blai kena bagi we ru ki bompat itu yo blai ki sei itu no leng ba kajingdon juga ni yang mana kala ban kering ki mensim ki bala klet ki bala yat pisakma agalitia ki jumpi leng ba kajingdon juga ni yang mana terwara biang ni kajing kala kena wara biang ni kajing mentoy nak kita kecing im simet jengki pat dong sung snong jom ni ke tani boro gawe